Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. You guys that have been here for a while, you know that I have not uploaded in a long time. Life got busy, right? I did a lot of other stuff, but now I'm back. I'm going to be uploading videos again. We're going to talk about how to get that lift in Muay Thai. Now, what I mean, so if you watch any Muay Thai training or any fights, you'll probably notice that unlike Taekwondo, they lift their heel up when they kick, right? Now, as someone who did Taekwondo for a long time, I always thought this was kind of weird. I always thought, like, why you feel like you're off balance until I started training with a Thai coach for a long time. I started to see like, okay, there's actually a lot of benefit to lifting your heel because there's less friction on the ground and you actually gain more speed and more power, and it's easy to bounce off of kicks, right? So there's pros and cons to each thing. So what I'm talking about is this, right? So when I throw my roundhouse kick, my heel lifts up, right? So see, my heel came off the ground. So when I throw it, right, my heel's off the ground. Okay, same thing when I throw a knee. When I throw my knee, right, heel comes up, right? Now, a lot of people lack that strength, all right, and it kind of puts a lot of pressure on their tendon. So a drill that we do at our gym is a couple of ones, right? So you can use a block or something like this, right? You step one foot just like this, okay, and all you do is as you pick up this knee, you pick your heel up too, right? So I just come up here, bang, right, and I try to hold it for a little bit. So I go up here, boom, back down, boom, back down. And again, I'm not trying to throw like a perfect knee yet. I'm just working on this foot. So I'm just coming up, boom, come back down, boom, come back down. Okay, so that's one exercise you can do to kind of work on the lift. Another one that you can do is simply just stretching. All right, stretching. Stretching is a big thing, right? Find the block right here, right, and stretch out your calf and stretch out your ankle. You get more flexible ankles, right? You'll be surprised. This will become easier to do when you're throwing your kicks. Okay, so that was just my basic tip of today. Again, I plan on uploading videos weekly. But I need video ideas. So if you guys have anything you want me to cover, comment down below. I'll be happy to make videos like that. Okay. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Viva Cristo Rey. God bless you all. See you all next time.